Hello children, good morning. I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Let us learn 5th standard English subject. Name of the lesson is Earth, the Desolated Home. This is an imaginary story. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth. Who destroyed the earth? Humans. And started colonizing the red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. How many colonies established? 3. Arumadi's family lived in one such colony. Who lived? Arumadi. On her birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. How many kilometers travelled grandfather? 1500 kilometers. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. Capsule is a bed, okay? And went to wake up. He said, "Wake up, Arivu." Arivumadi was surprised. To see Grandpa. Okay, Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday. He sighed. Don't you know about the storm of Mars? Sometimes it even lasts for a month. But this time it did not. So I am on time. It still took me 3 souls to reach here. Now come on, let's not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetation hab for vegetables. In the hab, he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore, like the ones I ate in my childhood. She asked, why did you say so, Grandpa? Grandfather exclaimed, the vegetables we grow here do not taste like ones on earth. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from earth. Arivu asked eagerly. How did they grow the crops and vegetables on earth? Now the grandfather was sad, like he is missing the earth. He said the earth had fertile soil. In the earth, fertile soil is there. Okay, so fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. Fruit and vegetables were grown here very healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Humans use chemical fertilizers, it is polluting the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? Grandfather laughed. Already I told you, these fruits, vegetables and water, they are not the same as in earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed. Even the water, he said, of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On earth, we used to get water from rain. Okay. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today we are fighting for things which we got easily. He continued, in Earth, you did not need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, yes, Grandpa, in Mars, 687 days make a year. In Earth, 365 makes a year. Okay. He smiled. Haha. Yes, you would be 18 years old on earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Arivu looked at him and said, "Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying terraforming of Mars like the Earth." He said, "True, but nothing can be Earth. Earth is our home. Earth is our home. Ha! Let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate." Thank you, children. So, from this lesson, we should understand that we should not pollute earth and we should save earth. Thank you.